So yeah, anyway, mamas, you know, Thanksgiving is about being thankful for what we have, right?
Yeah, and giving cards.
Yeah, and giving cards too. So I want to hear from you. What are you thankful for? What are you happy that you have?
Cards.
Cards? What else?
And hearts.
And hearts. I heard you tell Mommy that you're thankful for Texas Grandma, right?
Yeah.
And what else? Are you thankful for your brother?
Yeah.
Of course, huh? What about Mommy?
Yeah.
What about Daddy?
Yeah.
Nice.
Daddy, what about my whole family?
That's the right answer, buddy. I am thankful for the whole family. So after Thanksgiving, what comes up after that?
And Christmas.
Before Christmas and after Thanksgiving.
Cameron's birthday, and then my birthday.
Actually, it's your birthday
And
then Cameron's birthday. So, what do you want for your birthday?
Like
A cake? Okay, what kind of cake? Ghost spider with whipped cream. That sounds yummy. And you invited, who did you invite to your party?
Everyone that's on my school.
Everyone at your school?
Yes.
Okay. Who else? Did you invite Grandma White?
No.
Why not?
Because, Daddy, look, I made a V.
You made a V. Oh, you're so smart.
Dada, this one is Cameron's karate.
Yeah, this is what Cameron's karate. We're gonna go past Cameron's karate, and we're gonna rev the motor so Mommy sees us driving her car. So, what presents do you want for your birthday?
I want swimming toys.
Swimming toys.
Yeah, like pool toys.
Oh, okay.
We are gonna pass Cameron's karate.
You're not gonna believe this, Mamas. I went from 1 to 4. Is that right or wrong?
Dada.
That's way wrong.
Daddy, did you know 4 plus 4 is 8?
Yes, 4 plus 4 is 8.
So that means we have 8 days off.
Wait a minute. When you have your birthday, how old are you gonna be?
4,
Oh yeah, you are gonna be 4. How old is brother gonna be when he has his birthday?
6,
Yep, you're 2 years and 2 weeks apart.
yes.
So, after your birthday and after brother's birthday, we're gonna have Christmas, right?
Yes.
And this is where it gets difficult because I gotta figure out not only what you want for your birthday, but what you want for your birthday and for Christmas.
I want for my Christmas is a Rapunzel makeup set.
A Rapunzel makeup set.
Yes.
I'll have to look for that one. We might have to put something together.
No, Dad. I want Santa to give me that for Christmas.
Oh, Santa's gonna give it to you?
Yes.
Okay.
That's Cameron's karate over there.
Yeah, it's right there, huh?
Yes. Mommy didn't see us.
No, she didn't see us.
No, because we didn't turn that way. But she did hear us.
Yeah, she did hear us.
She did hear us.
find that sweet spot with this seat. I don't know why that's so hard, but
Daddy, look, big L.
yeah, big L.
Big L from the alphabet.
Uh-huh. Ooh, trophy truck. Let's go see if we can catch him.
Well,
Up here.
Daddy, you almost hit that white car.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did.
That supercharger is purring. What? Yeah, that's the trophy truck. Looks pretty cool, huh? Yeah. All right. That was fun. Oh, that car's going that way. We're going this way. Oh, somebody's at the house. I don't know. Somebody walking by.
They will say knock knock.
No, knock, knock. Oh, they're trying this. Whoa. Was that cool?
They said, "You want to race with us?"
Yeah. But he didn't want that smoke, right? He heard all the ponies and said, not today, son. I will admit, this car is fast, huh? I think it's too fast for mommy. I think we need to take this car away from her and get her something a little slower. What do you think?
No.
No?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
But, okay, I got an idea. Let's get mommy a turtle car, real slow, and then me and you keep this one, and we keep daddy's car.
How about we give mommy your white car?
Whoa. That's my car. That's my other baby. We can give mommy, let's give mommy that car.
Huh? That's somebody else's car.
Okay, let's give mommy that car. Oh, I know. No, I can't give mommy my truck either. That's my other baby. Let's think. We gotta think about this. Oh, I know mommy's favorite car. A Toyota Camry.
I know what mommy wants.
What?
Mommy wants a fast turtle car.
A fast turtle car? Well, that wouldn't be a turtle car. That'd be a rabbit car.
How about a Mickey Mouse car?
Perfect. Let's get mommy a Mickey Mouse car. I think that would be the best car ever.
With Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse on it.
Yeah.
Everybody will like mommy's Mickey Mouse car.
Yeah. Hopefully there's not a lot of people here at the store, huh? Because that would, well, I guess it really doesn't matter, huh? I mean, I guess they got a shop too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dada, it's A. A from the alphabet. A from the alphabet.
A from the alphabet?
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, when you put your finger that way, it makes an A.
Did you know that's a puppy car?
Yeah, it's a Jeep. It's got puppy feet on the back of it.
Yeah. With a G and a P.
Yeah, or a J and a P. And it's a little beat up, so you know what that means, right? That means they take it and they ride it off-road.
Daddy. Did you know F is a bad character from the alphabet?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No.
It beats up all the alphabets.
Oh, F is bad because he beats up all the alphabets?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's why.
Yeah. And did you know Q is a snail?
Q is a snail?
Yes.
How do you figure that?
Because I played it.
Oh, okay.
Because I have Roblox. I have Roblox. Daddy, do you even know that I have Roblox?
I did not know that.
Mommy downloaded.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's weird. Normally, Mommy doesn't put those games on there for you.
Well, she downloaded.
Hey, look, we found some prime parking. How is that exciting?
Everyone's gonna leave.
Yeah.
Like those ones are leaving.
Oh, you know what? I need to turn off that stupid mirror tilt thing when you reverse. I gotta figure out how you do that. Because the only way I figured out is to put the car back in gear
Daddy, now.
as it's rolling backwards. Or taking it neutral, I should say. To get it to turn that thing off.
Hey. Daddy, did you know this is how you make a lowercase a?
I did
Look.
not. Alright, we're here
Home Depot.
at Home Depot. Alright, let's go get what we came to get and get out. Right? Let's try it. Ready? Oh, you met me hanging. Alright. So, we found mostly what we came here for. And she found some, what'd you find?
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum. Yep. She found some bubble gum. Now, we're going to head to AutoZone, grab something real quick, and then be on our way.
Oh.
Let's see where Mommy's car is. Where's Mommy's car? I see Mommy's car. Right there. Yep, right here. Man, I really love that Mommy has a front camera. Because you can put it right on the line, close the garage, and you don't have to worry about if you're sticking out too far.
And roll down the windows.
Yeah, true. And I can pull up some more if I need to. And that gives you plenty of room in the back. That's perfect, huh? Alright, let's turn this back to eco mode because we don't want Mommy having too much fun. Turn that off and boom, just like that. We're home.
Yeah.
High five. Backside. Down low. Oh, you're fast. You got it. Good job, mamas.